Hey babe, have you seen my coffee cup?
Yeah, I just put it in the dishwasher.
Are these clean?
No.
Why didn't you put these in?
Well, it was full. I just forgot to start it.
This isn't full. You'd think after 37 years you would have figured out how to load a dishwasher. Now that's full.
I don't know how you get so much stuff in the dishwasher and the stuff still gets clean. Why don't you go upstairs and relax and I'll start it up, okay? Thank you.